Oh, hey, I'm going to talk to you about some ways that have worked for me to beat insomnia and how to fall asleep quickly, and I'm going to do it right now. Before getting into these tips, I just want to say I'm not a doctor, and these are just some ways that have helped me get better quality sleep. If you have any concerns, please consult your doctor. For most of my life, I've had trouble falling asleep, but I learned over the years that the tips I'm going to share with you work. If you're having trouble sleeping now, I really hope this will help. And make sure you watch the full video to get all the tips and get the full benefit of this video. One of the most important things we can do for our health is to get enough consistent quality sleep every night. Our physical and mental health truly depends on it. And the key to all this is consistency. So apply all these tips every day to see the benefits. The first tip is to turn off all electronics and pull out a physical book, not an electric one. As you know, blue screens can keep us up at night. You are also engaging in passive consumption when watching a TV screen, whether it be a TV, computer, pad, or phone. But when you read a book, you are engaging in active consumption. This can help tire you out, at least it does for me. So get rid of all the screens and pick up a book. The second tip is to slow down water consumption about 1.5 to 2 hours before bedtime. Don't get me wrong, I'm a big fan of hydration, but if you wake up in the middle of the night often to pee, then you aren't getting quality sleep. So get your water in before those hours. The third tip is to eliminate caffeine after noon. I like coffee, but I usually only drink one in the morning. If you drink caffeine after noon, it's just going to keep you up at night. Try to get your caffeine in early and switch over to regular water. Caffeine dehydrates as well, so you are better off with plain water anyway. The next tip is to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Doing this will set your internal clock and get your body into a healthy habit. This will go a long way to help you fall asleep because your body will know that it's time to shut down. When you go to bed and wake up at different times, you are only confusing your body and it doesn't know when it's supposed to shut down. Set that internal clock up and see the benefits. The next tip is to get at least 30 minutes of exercise every day. This goes a long way to burning pent-up energy and de-stresses you and will tire you out at the end of the day. Now don't work out right before you go to bed. This will probably keep you up since your heart rate will be elevated. Make sure to get your workout in the morning or at least a few hours before going to bed. I typically get mine in the morning, but no later than 6:30 p.m. I only work out that late if I go on a fun run with a group. I go to bed at 11 p.m., so that works for me. My run is typically done by 7 p.m., so that gives me 4 hours to wind down. This brings me to my last tip. Sometimes when I'm trying to get to sleep, my brain is still going. I start to think about things that I need to do the next day or ideas for new content. This used to keep me up at night, but now I keep a pad of paper by my bed, and if an idea comes up or pops up in my head, I write it down. That allows me to forget about it and to go to sleep in peace without worrying about it all night long. If it's written down, I won't forget about it. And that's it. My tips on how to get better quality sleep at night. Sleep is so important in keeping us happy and healthy, so hopefully these tips will help you if you aren't getting the quality sleep that you deserve. If you have any questions or comments or tips, please share them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And to continue your healthy journey, click on the video that just popped up, and I will see you all next time.